Hey there, are you tired of the daily commute? Feeling that squeeze from rising costs? Or maybe you just want more control over your time and your income? Well, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're going to dive into 5 totally legitimate work-from-home ideas you can start, and you can do it without breaking the bank.
And I'm not kidding about not breaking the bank. The absolute most you'll need for any of these is $25, and for most of them, your startup cost is literally zero. Ready to see how? Let's get into it.
Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about the real promise of working from home. Then, we'll jump into 5 different opportunities, everything from writing and assisting to teaching, transcription, and even getting paid just for your feedback. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with a clear path to get you started.
Okay, first things first, I gotta be real with you. This isn't about some get-rich-quick fantasy. These are proven, super accessible opportunities that real people, right now, are using to earn anywhere from a few $100 to thousands of dollars a month.
But here's the best part. The thing that's really exciting about all of these ideas, they're flexible. You can start with just a few hours a week, and as you get more confident and build up your clients, you can scale it up into something that really fits your life.
All right, first up, let's talk about services. If you're a good communicator or you're just super organized, there is a huge market out there for your skills, especially in freelance writing and virtual assisting. Let's see which one might be the right fit for you.
So, which one sounds more like you? If you just love putting words together, digging into topics, and telling a good story, then freelance writing, that's totally your lane. But if you get a thrill from organizing things, managing schedules, and just being that reliable backbone for a project, then becoming a virtual assistant is a perfect match.
So what is freelance writing really? It's pretty simple. Businesses are desperate for a constant flow of content to connect with their customers. And believe me, they are more than happy to pay good money for well-written blog posts, social media updates, and emails. The demand is absolutely massive.
And honestly, getting started is way easier than you think. First, pick a topic you're already into. That helps you stand out. Second, just write a couple of sample articles. Google Docs is free and perfect for this. Third, get your profiles up on platforms like Upwork. And fourth, start applying for those beginner jobs to get your first amazing reviews. Quick pro tip, try to avoid being a generalist. Pick a niche, become the expert, and you'll attract much higher paying clients.
And the money? Well, you can see a clear path to growth here. You might start out in the $15 to $30 an hour range, but as you build up your portfolio, you can quickly jump to over $50 an hour. I mean, we're talking top-tier writers pulling in over $10,000 a month. That's life-changing.
All right, let's talk about being a virtual assistant, or a VA. Basically, you're the remote, right-hand person for a busy entrepreneur. You handle all those essential tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, entering data that let them focus on growing their business.
And getting started is just as simple. Here's the secret. You already have these skills from past jobs or even just from running your own life. Just list them out, join free platforms like Upwork or Belay, and set some beginner-friendly rates. Little pro tip for you. Instead of just hourly rates, think about offering monthly packages for specific tasks. That gives you predictable income and makes it a no-brainer for your clients.
Now, check this out. The income potential here is just fantastic, especially for how flexible it is. Even if you're only working 10 to 20 hours a week, you could realistically bring in over $2,500 a month once you land a few good clients.
Okay, ready for the next batch? Let's dive in. These opportunities are all about turning something you already have, whether it's knowledge about a certain subject or a simple skill like being able to type, into a solid income stream.
So let's figure out which one vibes with your personality. If you're a people person and you love that aha moment when you help someone finally get something, online tutoring is calling your name. But hey, if you're more of a put my headphones on, shut out the world, and just grind kind of person, then transcription is a perfect fit.
You guys, online tutoring has completely blown up. Using these simple online platforms, you can connect with students all over the world and teach them pretty much anything, from math and science to playing the guitar or just practicing English. Now, how much you make can really depend on what you teach. Conversational English is a great place to start, but as you can see, if you can help students with specific subjects, or even better, with test prep, you can command a much higher rate. Here's a lifesaver tip. Use a free tool like Calendly so students can book times that automatically work for both of you. No more time zone headaches.
Next up, transcription. This is so straightforward. You listen to an audio or video file, and you type out what's being said. And with the explosion of podcasts, YouTube videos, and online meetings, there is always a need for this.
And the best part? You can get started like today. Platforms like Rev.com and TranscribeMe are always looking for new people. You sign up, you pass a quick test, and you can start grabbing jobs sometimes on the very same day. Just a heads up, a common mistake is underestimating how long it takes, so work smarter. Use a tool like Otter to get a first draft from AI, then you can just focus on making it perfect.
All right, our last idea is maybe the easiest one to get into. No joke. It's an awesome way to make some extra cash just by sharing your honest thoughts about different websites and apps.
Seriously, the process is so simple. You sign up for free on a site like usertesting.com. They'll send you invites for tests that fit your profile, and then all you do is follow the instructions, record your screen, and just say what you're thinking out loud for about 10 to 20 minutes. That's it.
Okay, so look, this probably isn't going to replace your full-time job, but it is an incredible way to earn some extra money. You can make $10 or more for just one 20-minute test. If you stay on top of it, that can easily add up to a few $100s a month. The key is just being consistent. Don't wait for the emails. Make a habit of checking the site a couple of times a day for new opportunities.
And there you have it. 5 really different but totally achievable ways to start earning from home. Now let's just pull it all together and look at what makes every single one of these ideas so powerful.
So, did you notice a pattern here? The thing that connects all of these? Every single one uses skills you probably already have. They all use free platforms to find clients for you. They cost basically nothing to get started. You can scale them up as you go, and you can start any of them on the side with just 5 or 10 hours a week.
So really, the only thing left to do is decide which of these paths feels right for you. You have the blueprint. You know it costs almost nothing to start. You can begin small today and just watch it grow. So the real question is, which path are you going to explore first?